Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an Amazon Kindle account. If you're looking to dive into the world of digital reading, this is your first essential step, and the good news is that your Amazon account automatically works for Kindle and all other Amazon services. Let's walk through this together. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Sign In. This takes you to the login page where you'll begin the account creation process. On the Sign In page, you'll see a field asking for your mobile number or email. Go ahead and enter either one, whichever you prefer to use as your primary contact method for this account. This information is crucial as Amazon will use it to communicate with you about orders, security, and account updates. After entering your details, click the Continue button to move forward. Now, since you don't have an existing account yet, you'll need to create one. Look for the option that says Proceed to create an account and click on it. This redirects you to the registration form where you'll set up your new account credentials. The first field on the registration page will ask you to enter your name. Type in your full name as you'd like it to appear on your account. This helps personalize your experience and is used for any correspondence from Amazon. Next, you'll need to establish your account security by creating a password. Enter your chosen password in the first password field, then re-enter the exact same password in the confirmation field below it. Make sure your password is strong and secure, combining letters, numbers, and symbols if possible to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click the Verify Email button. This is an important security step that confirms you actually own the email address you've provided. Amazon will now send a verification message to your inbox. Head over to the email inbox you used during registration. Look for a message from Amazon with the subject line that reads Verify your Amazon account. Open that email and you'll find either a verification link or a button inside. Click on that link or button to confirm your email address. This final step activates your account and ensures everything is properly set up. And that's it, your Amazon account is now fully created and verified. Here's something important to remember. Your Amazon account isn't just for shopping. It automatically works across all Amazon services, including Kindle, Audible, Prime Video, and more. So this single account gives you access to everything Amazon offers, including the entire Kindle ecosystem for downloading and reading ebooks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.